Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. Today we are doing something pretty cool. We are making our own taco seasoning mix, so no more having to go to the store to get the little taco seasoning packets. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so we have quite a few things here, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the salt. Any kind should work. We just have this because it's what we had on hand. Someone else's pepper, once again, any kind of pepper will work. You need some paprika, some cayenne powder if you want it spicy. If you do not want spicy taco seasoning, don't use this, leave it out. Some onion powder, some cumin, some chili powder, fancy light stuff here. Any kind of chili powder will work really. Some oregano, and garlic. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the chili powder. We're going to get 6 teaspoons, which is the equivalent of 2 tablespoons, because that makes perfect sense. Thank you, America, for some reason we don't use metric here. So let's get started on that. Alright, we got our chili powder. Next up is 3 teaspoons of ground cumin. Try not to go overboard with this stuff. It is very strong and it can seriously alter the taste. But I mean, if you like cumin, I'll go for it. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Alright. And next, we're going to go with 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. And as I said earlier, if you do not like spice, do not add this. You can completely skip that. Alright, next we're going to go with 2 teaspoons of paprika. Oh, this might be a challenge to get out of there. Alright, and then 2 teaspoons of salt. I might actually go with a little bit less because I'm not a big fan of salt. And we need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to add 2 because I love garlic. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Right, you can leave it like that, or you can add some more. I'm going to add more. And then next up we need, I believe, 1 teaspoon of oregano. And 1 teaspoon of black powder. And to finish it all off with 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Alright, now I'll go ahead and mix it all together. Alright, and there we go. Our own taco seasoning mix. Now, if you have a recipe that says use 1 packet of taco seasoning, use about 2 tablespoons of it. And there you go, that's 1 serving. Obviously this scales up. If you want to scale, just add double all of this. So yeah, there you have it. Taco seasoning. It's actually pretty easy to do. You just got to make sure you have all the seasonings to do it. And if you want more than this little bit, just double or triple. That's all you got to do. And as I said, if you want it spicy, add cayenne. If you don't, leave it out. Completely optional. Store it in an airtight container. It's in this mainly because I don't have any mason jars laying around or any empty other seasoning bottles. But if you have any of those, go for that instead of this. It'd work a lot better. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. You can normally catch us here on YouTube on Tuesdays and Fridays. And we also post on Facebook. You can catch us there at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. And we also do stuff on Instagram under Living Between, I believe. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time.